Hi, welcome to 7606 Kelly Drive in Dublin. Come on in. Welcome. I'm not going to shake your hand. This is a video tour in lieu of an in-person tour, although this home is open this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, from 12 to 4 p.m. Again, it's 7606 Kelly Drive in Dublin. It's just north of Sawmill and Hard Road. This home is our popular Lauderdale floor plan. It's got some additional features to it that our standard floor plan does not have, which pushes it over 4,000 square feet. This home, as built, is 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. What you're looking at right now is the formal dining room. And we are standing in the main entrance hall looking at the 2-story great room. The ceilings on the first floor here are 9-foot ceilings, however, obviously a much higher in the 2-story great room. To your left, you will find our kitchen. This is a gourmet kitchen with 42-inch mirror lab cabinets, granite countertops, and we have a level 3 wood flooring on the first floor, which would include the dinette, kitchen, the extra large pantry, and the entryway. This home actually backs to Emerald Fields Park. It's one of Dublin's parks, very nice park. It includes a playground area, baseball diamonds, and what you're looking at right now are the soccer and cricket fields. Also back there, if you can see, is a bike path, which is connected to Dublin's very extensive bike path system. And this is the 2-story great room with a wall of windows. We have the upgraded railings and a direct vent gas fireplace. Again, this home is open Saturday and Sunday this week from 12 to 4 p.m. both days. To your left is our finished lower level. This is one of the best features of a multi-level or split-level home. This is not actually a basement in that you have these large egress windows. This all counts as finished living space. The ceiling down here is also 9 feet high, so you've got a lot of headroom. We also have the optional wet bar included in this home. And as most multi-levels, we do have a partial basement, which is still rather large. You'll see 2 water heaters here. These are 2 40-gallon water heaters. When we get upstairs, you'll see the optional master bath with a soaker tub, and that's why we have 2 40-gallon water heaters in the home. This is a standard 12-course basement, so if you were to finish the basement, you would have 8-foot ceilings, other than where you would soffit around beams and HVAC ducts. One thing you'll notice about most of our homes, I should say, we are known for wider staircases. As you can see right there, a lot of our floor plans with Trinity homes are wide staircases like this. Guess we missed the half bath. We do have a half bath off the main entry here. Notice no toilet paper. Heard there's a run on that lately. This home, the standard Lauderdale, does not have this optional den in the front of the home. Normally that is a garage. So the standard Lauderdale has just over 3,800 square feet. This home has 2 upgrades, one being this den and one being an additional Jack and Jill bathroom that's over us right now. That's what pushes the square footage up over 4,000 square feet. The family entry or mudroom to the garage with the optional cubbies, built-in storage. And we do have a 3-car garage. And if you'd like to go upstairs, we can do that now. Again, our wide staircases. This level is nothing but the master bedroom and master bathroom, other than this linen closet at the upper part of the stairs. Now we'll head into the master bedroom with vaulted ceilings. And I apologize, it does have a rough-in for a ceiling fan, but no overhead light at present. And in here is our master bathroom. As I told you in the basement, it's got the optional soaker tub. So we've got a double sink, upgraded mirror lab cabinets with comfort height, large shower, and the water closet. This is all upgraded tiling, ceramic tiling. Amber, our designer in the design center, has made all these selections in this home. And now we'll go up to the bedroom level. Upstairs here we have 3 bedrooms plus an activity room. Although in this home we built the activity room with the optional door. The activity room already has a closet, so technically that is a 5th bedroom. Bedroom over here is the bedroom with 2 walk-in closets. So you've got a closet on the right and a closet on the left. Again, this home will be open Saturday and Sunday this weekend from 12 to 4 both days. And we are at 7606 Kelly Drive in Dublin. That's 43016. Here we have the main bathroom on the top floor. Our next bedroom here is one of 2 bedrooms that connect to the optional Jack and Jill bathroom that we've included in this home. So this bedroom has a walk-in closet there. And over here, we go to our Jack and Jill bathroom that features a double sink and a shower, along with a linen closet. Bedroom number 4, which also is in the front of the home. The only bedroom without a walk-in closet. In a lot of multi-levels, you'll find the mudroom is also the laundry room on the first floor. Not so in the Lauderdale. In the Lauderdale, the laundry room is where all the dirty clothes are, right here. We are also known at Trinity Homes for having larger laundry rooms, and you can see by this one, it is larger than most. It's got room for a washer dryer and a tub sink, if you would like. In fact, we've included the tub sink in this home. And this is our activity room. Because we put the optional door on this room, it's a 5th bedroom, which makes it the coolest bedroom because it's got over 9-foot ceilings, windows on 2 sides. It also makes a great activity room or playroom because this room is actually over the garage. So if you've got kids that are jumping around and making a lot of noise, they're not going to bother anyone in the house as they're over the cars in the garage right now. And that is 7606 Kelly Drive in Dublin. I hope you visit us this weekend. We are open Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 4 p.m. Give us a call to schedule an appointment. My number is 614-202-9763. If you do come to visit, we're only allowing up to 4 or 5 people in the house at one time. After that, once you're inside, we will have a hand washing station to properly sanitize. Take a look outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Wyandotte Woods is one of it's actually our only community that is within walking distance to restaurants, grocery stores. You can walk over and get your hair cut. Most of the time we build in suburbs, which generally are kind of out in the middle of nowhere. This is, without exception, one of the best locations we have because it's very walkable to other interesting things around Dublin, Ohio. Outside we do have the optional full extended front porch. In the standard Lauderdale, this would be the third car garage, but we made this a den, adding square footage to the home, which then made the home a 2-car garage, but we added the third car garage onto the side. And that is your tour of 7606 Kelly Drive in Dublin. My name is Jeff Whiting with Trinity Homes. You can call me at 614-202-9763. We are open this weekend from 12 to 4 o'clock, both Saturday and Sunday. My email address is jeff.whiting@trinity-homes.com. And thanks for visiting.